Tätligt. Cook.
Mm.
It's juicy. What this? Beef.
What you want to cook it?
Roasty. To wash it off. Raw. What a tough Olsen thing this. I want this.
Salt.
It's enough.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Throw it away. Throw a juice, Bunny. You forgot. Can't put salt, go ahead, it's a cook. Lord. Baba. It off, it off, it off. Tasty.
Almost there.
Taste one potato.
Potato no cook yet.
So long. Cook.
Yeah, can I cook?
Salt enough. Salt enough. Turn it over.
No, not.
Push it now and see.
Yeah, it's soft on this side. You want to feel it?
Go on.
Okay.
Potato.
Mm-hmm.
But then tough too.
Mm-hmm.
Make it cover it and put it back.
Okay.
Ooh, and the gravy dry out. By a fork.
Still tough?
Yeah, no. We can turn it over.
Mm-hmm.
Want some water. You cook.
And you?
Tip the clean there.
Okay.
Tip some in there. Oh, the gravy tastes.
It's alright.
Want some more water. Can take more gravy. The gravy tastes enough salt.
Mm-hmm.
Dip some more water in there. Mm-hmm. Want some more still. That side.
See that now?
Mm-hmm. Can put little bit more that side. Enough. Enough gravy.
Yeah.
Cover him and put him back. Enough salt.
You try it.
You can't taste it hot.
No, it is not hot.
Little hottish. One little bit more water. Right there, click. Turn it around, let me see. You did put more water in there.
Yeah.
It cook.
What is it?
It cook.
Mm-hmm.
I want to turn it over.
Be careful.
Feel.
You tell me, I don't know.
You feel cook, man. Feel it.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? You cook. See that? It mash up. You want a little more water.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You want more juice.
So put some more water in it?
Yes. Little more juice. And after you put, you take it out. You try.
I'll put it on this.
You try.
I'm gonna try a piece already, man.
You cook. Put little more water in there, one gravy. It's nice.
What is it?
It's nice. Onion.
Put onions in it?
Mm-hmm. Put it on top right too. Scrape this side. Take some of the thing, put on top right. Onion and thing.
Okay.
Throw it on it. Taste the gravy now. Tastes nice.
Mm-hmm.
Put it down, cover it and take it out. You don't want to lose the more gravy. Make sure enough juice in there.